Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today, we have an eye tutorial using the Viseart, I don't know. This is their Dark Edit palette. Check it out. I did not purchase this myself. This was a birthday present from Dee. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Here is what she looks like. I've been playing with it and you guys, I love it. I now see what all the rave is about the Viseart palette. So let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Okay, eye is already primed. The first shade that we are going in with, well, I'm gonna take a matte 217 and we're gonna go in with this cooler tone taupey shadow here, and we're keeping it low, not going too high in the crease on the outside. Don't pull this too far in, just leave it on the outer, and we're not gonna pull this high up at all. For our next shade here, we're going to go in with this burgundy tone here. Sorry, there's no shade names. I'm just gonna stick my brush in. I'm gonna go in right there. And this shade is going on the inner crease. And we're just gonna connect those two. And we're still using a MAC 217. And I like to kind of bring it down. Now I'm just gonna wipe my brush off and just kind of swirl those two together. All right, wiping my brush off again. I have this little color switch thing. I like it. I like it. All right, now we're gonna go in with this dark matte purple right here. You guys, this purple, so beautiful. Okay, and then we are just going to push this onto the outer corner of the eye here. And the reason why I'm saying pushing is because that's how we're going to get the most pigmentation. Viseart, how do you say it? I don't know. They're mattes though. I get it. I see what the hype was about. Now I'm just pushing this on the outer and into the crease. Now taking a pencil brush, it's a M506, still using that purple. But now we are going on the inner. And same thing, we're just gonna push that in, starting in the inner, and then just start bringing it up. All right, now for the center of our lid here, first we're gonna go in with this really pretty copper tone. I'm just using a flat brush. This is super pretty. Love the reflex on it. And it's a shimmer. It's not a metallic, it's not a glitter, it's a shimmer. Maybe that'll be a video. Shimmer versus metallic versus glitter. Boom. What's the difference? We can talk about it. And just going back in with my MAC 217 and just blending that out. And then right over top, we're gonna go in with this beautiful, it's almost like a yellow shimmer. And we're gonna put just a pop. I just feel like that gives the look, makes it look so interesting. Okay, so now we're gonna basically do the exact same thing on the bottom. So going in with this purple shade here, starting on the inner. And we're gonna start on the inner and don't take it too far into the center. We wanna leave that blank for our shimmer tones. This is probably the first time I'm not doing an inner tear dot pop. We're gonna put our shimmer in the middle. I just think that looks so interesting. It's just different, you know? Cause I hate it, I feel like I do like the same techniques, you know what I mean, eyeshadow wise, so it's time to jazz it up. Do something different, you feel me? And then first, we're gonna take this copper tone again, and just put that right on the center. Going back in with that yellow shimmer, and go right on top. All right, and then for the top liner, I'm just gonna go in with some of my Sephora felt tip liner. And then last but not least, mascara, Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. And for lips, we went in with just a neutral MAC lipstick in the shade Taupe, one of my favorites. And this is our finished look. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. Hope you enjoyed this little tutorial using the Viseart, I don't know, palette in Dark Edit. Again, huge shout out to Dee. Thank you so much for gifting this to me for my birthday. I love and appreciate you so much. If you guys want to see more looks with this palette, you know what to do. Let me know down below. You know the deal. Keep it simple, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.